I already done did it now.
You got that part.
Alicia is cleaning out the refrigerator because it's so nasty. Cannot say what.
It's nasty.
The refrigerator do get nasty. What I supposed to say? Oh, it's clean. No, she's cleaning it because it's nasty. And whoever refrigerator don't get nasty, oh God, thank you for them. Because refrigerators do get nasty and you do have to refresh and clean your refrigerator every now and then. Okay, people? Okay. Would it supposed to be like super clean already? It's not brand new. We have to keep it. We have to keep it clean. We have to clean it. If we don't clean it, he at school. This one at school. This one helping me clean out this refrigerator. Well, she cleaning out the refrigerator. Did he tell me? So this is clean. She cleaned that. And the refrigerator look brand new again. She put the vegetable tray back in there. What is that? Okay. So she just putting everything back, and then she's gonna do the doors. Gotta get all the trash off of them. Okay, let's go, Alicia. Let's go, Team Alicia. Okay, Mil is back from the floor and decor. He is currently taking the towel out of the car that he went and got.
No. Both hands. Okay. Both hands. Okay. There you go.
See, I got mixed up.
You should know it's not.
This is the LED lights that I bought, and it's simple to do. You just hook this up to this like so till your head snap, and then you put this in the bulb, and you get that as a result. You take these things here and you pinch them, and when they go up in there, they're supposed to catch and be tight like this one. I gotta redo that one because I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, we're gonna do this. You two acting right. So you just tighten that up and now you take these and pinch them and push this. Oh shit. Push this all the way up and down. Something hit me on my foot. Cut on the light. Okay, say light bright in the house. Say light bright in the house. So cute. My daughter says she feel like she in the dentist's office. They so cute. So they came in a set of, if I put 5 up there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Came in a set of 12. And this is how the box look. They come like that. And then they come with the pack of screws to the lights. And so I think this box was like $55 for these. And they 12 watts. And that's how many lifetimes you got for these. So these are all the specs on the box. So I shouldn't have to change these no time soon. No time in my life anyway. Supposedly. But yeah, I am in love with the LED lights. So I'm just letting you get a glimpse of the box. See, it's a 12 pack. So you can know what to get if you want it. Huntai. This is Sunday dinner. Steak, potatoes, and vegetables with a little cheese on it. So this is how it's looking. With a little A1 on the top of the steak. Cream potatoes. Homemade. Broccoli and cheese and carrots and cauliflower. Okay, yum, yum, yum. Come and get yourself some.